chain lube will spray up onto the frame, sit on the swinging arm, even on the rear shock. If I apply the chain cleaner and then soap up afterwards and jet wash it off, it has managed to actually remove it, even down to removing on the rear sprocket as well.
It's like we designed it to work that way.
Yeah.
I think that's the key. So what we've got is a suite of products that work together with each other. So not only are we kind of giving you a chain lube and a chain wax that kind of like, you know, reduce wear and tear, we've also given you a chain cleaner, but because obviously we've got PhD chemists that design these things, they'll know what's going in there to give you the performance, but they'll also know what the best thing is to kind of remove it. That has been designed to work with our chain lube and our chain wax.
Okay, so
that's why it works so effectively.
It does clean up the chain quite well. When I was squirting it and spinning the rear wheel there, you know, you could see the grime coming from the chain, which is quite good. I'd say.
It's an overlooked thing. I mean, you know, on a dry, sunny day like this, you won't always get the jet wash out, but in that pin and roller, dust is going to get in there, and if you leave it in there, it's going to grind that chain and sprockets away faster than it needs to. So basically, even on a dry day, we'd recommend, even if you haven't jet washed it out, when you finish riding, give your chain a pass with chain cleaner, and you'll just watch, just rubbish, contaminants just come out of it, and you save yourself some money.
From my experience, I do know that a lot of people spend a lot of money, they'll go to the dyno, they'll chase horsepower, yet a chain on the bike will be old. There's a loss of horsepower. To go through the correct procedure, you know, of chain cleaner, you know, chain lube and wax is quite important, isn't it, really? As for a performance.
Yeah, it adds to, you know, that will increase performance and it saves you money.